All right, this is part 2 of the volume lesson. So we're going to talk about pyramids, cones, and spheres. So the volume of a pyramid is very similar to that of a prism. It's just capital BH divided by 3, where again, B equals the area of the base, and the height is the H. Volume of a cone is pi r squared H divided by 3, where again, H is just the height of the prism. So that's how far apart are the bases. So if I look at example 2, we see that the base here is this rectangle on the bottom. So this rectangle is a 9.5 by 8. So 9.5 times 8 gives us an area of 76. So your capital B is 76. Now to find your volume, you're just going to do 76 times 9 divided by 3 for a total of 228 centimeters cubed. Now looking at the cone, so that one is the volume of a cylinder divided by 3. So we're going to do pi r squared, so pi radius squared, times the height, which is 19, divided by 3, for a total of 1,611.6 feet cubed. So the first lesson dealt with prisms, so that is the area of the base times the height. Pyramid is the same thing, area of the base times the height divided by 3. Cones are the volume of a cylinder, pi r squared H. Cones just have one extra step, so pi r squared H divided by 3. Now we're going to talk about volume of a sphere, so this one's the more challenging one. This one is 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. So when I look at example 3a here, it would be 4 pi 6 cubed divided by 3. So that's 4 times 3.14159 times 6 times 6 times 6 divided by 3 for a total of 904.8. So the volume of this sphere is 904.8 centimeters cubed. All right, looking at part B, this one gives us the diameter. So the first thing I have to do is cut that in half. So we're going to be dealing with a radius of 11. So this one's going to be 4 pi 11 cubed divided by 3 for a total volume of 5,575.3 feet cubed. So 5,575.3 feet cubed. All right, part C just has one extra little step, so we're going to do the volume formula. 4 pi 2.8 cubed divided by 3, but then we're going to have to divide by 2 at the end. So again, 4 times pi times 2.8 times 2.8 times 2.8 equals divided by 3, and then just divide the whole thing by 2. So once I divided by 2, I'm going to get 45.97, which is going to round up to 46 centimeters cubed. So we've talked about pyramids, area of the base times the height divided by 3. Cones, pi r squared H divided by 3. And now we've talked about spheres, 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. All you have to do for homework is a Google form. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me.